Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a recovery key in Dashlane. First, in your browser, click the Dashlane icon in the extensions toolbar. Enter your master password if prompted. In the pop-up, click Open the web app to access full settings. Then in the web app, go to My Account, Settings, then Security Settings. Scroll down to the Account Recovery section and click View Options. Turn on Recovery Key from there. Then click Generate Key. Dashlane will show you a 28-character random recovery key. Write it down, copy it, or download it, but do not store it in Dashlane itself. It must be kept somewhere else securely. After you have your key recorded, click Continue. On the next screen, Dashlane will prompt you to confirm the key by entering it back. This ensures you correctly copied it. If you didn't copy it, it gives you a chance to go back and copy it. Once confirmed, select Continue. Your account will now have recovery key enabled. If you ever forget your master password, you can use this key plus identity verification to regain access without losing your data. And that's how you set up a recovery key in Dashlane. Thanks for watching.